this video, I will show you the 3 best websites where you can watch anime for free and legally. First, we have Bilibili. Open your web browser and search for Bilibili. Once you're on the website, go to the anime section and browse through the available titles. You can explore different categories, check recommendations, or use the search bar to find a specific anime. Bilibili also has mobile apps available for Android and iPhone. The second option is YouTube. You can find officially licensed anime on various channels that offer episodes and series for free. Search for an official anime channel, then open its playlists to find episodes organized by series. Just make sure you're watching content uploaded by an official or licensed channel. Finally, we have Crunchyroll, one of the biggest anime streaming platforms. Open Crunchyroll and browse its large library of anime. You can use the search bar or filters to find shows by genre, including action, romance, fantasy, and more. Depending on your region and the title, some content may be available for free with ads, while other titles may require a subscription. So, those are 3 options for watching anime legally online. Availability can vary depending on your country, so check each platform to see what's available in your region.